do you got, Alexis?
Snow cone.
Turn it around so they can see it. Okay.
Snow cone.
These are the new Snackables, the Noms Snackables snow cones.
Okay.
8 surprises.
8?
Eight surprises inside.
Can I
There's
open
100 to collect.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
I can't believe they came out. Mommy, I can't take.
Oh, okay. Whoa. Read instructions first. For the perfect recipe, don't eat me or the snow.
Okay. I think this comes out.
I don't know. Let me see. Must. It has to.
Mm.
That's kind of weird, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let me see something. This is so strange. Slow. Go slow. Okay. I don't know if that comes out or not.
Maybe.
Oh, wait a minute. Hold on. I think we're supposed to open this first. Oh, wait a minute.
Is that?
Open the baggie up first.
Whoa.
Okay.
This is,
So there's the collector's guide.
what is this for?
We're supposed to, I don't know. We gotta find out, okay? We have to, okay, contents. 1 snow cone cup. This is the snow cone cup.
Mommy, look at
think.
this. Mommy, look at all these.
1 spoon. And 7 num-nums.
Whoa.
Quick start. Before beginning, cover the play area to prevent possible damage. Then place the snow cone cup on top of a disposable paper plate or tray with a border around it. Not included. Oh,
What?
this is the snow cone cup.
Ah.
We're not supposed to take this out.
Oh.
Okay, so this thing inside here, this plastic thing inside, you're not supposed to take this out. It says you're not supposed to remove this. We did this wrong. I think we did this wrong. Remove the seal on the snow cone cup. There will be a dissolvable bottom layer inside the cup. Do not remove it. We were not supposed to take these out.
Oh.
Put those back in there.
I did.
We were supposed to leave everything in there.
Oh.
We were not supposed to open those. So this is supposed to lay on top.
Mm.
So we kind of jumped here. Okay, all these num-nums are in each, they're in each little, there's like a little holder for each num-num down there. So you put them in each thing, which they were already supposed to be like that, but we already dug through it and we weren't supposed to. Okay, so now we already know what we're getting. So we kind of ruined that part.
Mommy, no, this
But now
one
we're going to make
no,
the snow.
Mommy, this one goes in the middle.
Oh, the strawberry one goes in the middle? Let's
No,
see.
that's a watermelon.
Alright, I'm sorry, you're what? Oh my gosh, they all do smell. But okay, we'll get to that.
I want to smell.
It smells
Oh,
like
yeah.
strawberry.
I want to smell.
Alright, so we're supposed to leave this. Alright, we're supposed to just leave this on top. Okay, you're supposed to leave everything, the 2 dissolvable packs right on top of the num-nums. Pour room temperature water into the cup. Fill to the top. Watch as the water turns into scented magic snow. Wait 3 minutes for the artificial snow to fully grow. Okay, so I'm going to get some room temperature water. I'll be right back, okay? What is this? Okay, put this on top.
I plate.
Yep, put this on top. Okay? We'll just use one of her plates.
Can I dump it in?
Yep, we just dump it in slow. It says,
You go
why don't you help me?
No, you.
Okay.
Wow, you're getting on me.
Sorry. Whoops, we need more. I know. I think we're supposed to add more.
Yeah. Wow. It smells. Ah, you're shipping it.
Okay.
Hey, where's the spoon now? Where's the spoon now? I want to mix it.
Wait a minute, hold on. It says you have to wait 3 minutes. It looks like a little snow cone. Just hold on a second. It says you're supposed to wait a few minutes for it to fully grow. It's like, it's green and pink.
But I found this right here.
Is that the one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can smell it. Yeah. It smells so good. Okay, this is the one we got here. And it is, let's see here.
Can I do it now?
Okay, so these ones up on top are the classic kinds that you can get. It's, let's see, cherry, orange, pineapple, green apple, grape, and blueberry. It says that you can dig through the, oh, that's cool. Huh. What's it feel like? What's it feel like?
Wow.
Oh yeah, that's awesome.
Wow.
It feels like it would be like a snow cone.
Well,
It's not as cold.
I want to be cold.
And it really smells like watermelon. I mean, it's really strong. And here's the one that we got. These are the double ones that you can get. This is strawberry banana, cotton candy. This is the one we got, watermelon, grape strawberry, blue raspberry cherry, and grape blue raspberry.
Again.
Okay, apparently the strawberry banana one is like a special, it says, special. And then these are the sparkly ones down here. Gosh, it's so hard to see this thing. But this one is the sparkle mint snow. It's white. And then this is the birthday snow with sprinkles. These ones are called the snow cone toppings. And of course the ones with the red heart are ultra rare. Here's the different categories in them. These ones right here are the hard candies. These ones right here are gummies. These ones right here are gumdrops, jelly beans, fruit salad, and these ones down at the bottom are sweets. And she mixed it all together. Now it all looks orange.
But there's little pink and green, right?
This stuff does make a mess, so just a warning to everybody.
Mommy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. And comment below on what you think of if you would buy one of these or not. And as always, subscribe to our channel if you like what you see.
Bye.